This machine features quick change tooling, enabling the production of 3 distinct purlin profiles such as C, Z, and U on a single unit. A single Chu purlin roll forming machine integrates production of C, Z, and U profiles, eliminating dedicated units for each type. This consolidation slashes investment costs by up to 67% and reduces factory footprint by over 50%, optimizing both capital efficiency and space utilization. A Chu purlin roll forming machine is a specialized machinery used in the construction industry for manufacturing metal purlins, which are horizontal structural components that support roof decks or wall panels in buildings. The roll forming process involves feeding a flat sheet of metal through a series of rollers that shape and bend the material into the desired profile of the purlin. This method allows for efficient and precise production of standardized purlins with consistent quality. In summary, a Chu purlin roll forming machine is a type of equipment designed to manufacture metal purlins using the roll forming technique, ensuring dimensional accuracy and productivity in construction projects.
After adjusting the machine,
Steelma always give you proper solution.
对了吗？可以下一步了吗？